What time is it? It's science time!
Check this out. I've got 2 cups of ice. Our thermometer shows that both have a temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit. What happens if salt is added to one of the cups? The temperature is dropping! I wonder why that's happening.
Thanks, Alfred. We're actually going to use the rock salt with some ice to create a delicious science treat that you can make at home also. First thing, we're going to take some ice and put it into a baggie. You're going to cover the bottom of the bag almost all the way. This is a gallon baggie, so you're going to need a gallon baggie for this. And then we're going to use some of that rock salt because the rock salt lowers the freezing point of water, right? So we're going to put that in here. And then we're just going to let it sit there just for a second. Now while that's starting to cool, in this container, we're gonna mix all of the goodness. So you're gonna need 1 cup, half and half. It's half and half creamer. And then you're gonna need a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract or flavoring. Oh, that smells so good. I can't wait. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. Now, you're gonna close this up really well. I'm gonna get as much of that air out as I can so that it doesn't pop open. Make sure that's sealed really good. We do not want this to come apart inside of our other bag. And now in order to make the ice cream, we're gonna put this on the ice. And what's gonna happen is the heat energy from this is going to get absorbed by the super ultra cold ice. And that is going to hopefully solidify our ice cream. Now, this is half the fun. Because now, oh, that is so cold already. And actually, because it's colder than ice, it's colder than 32 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm gonna put on some gloves so my fingies stay nice and warm. Make no bones about it, science is awesome. All right, here we go. We're gonna do this for 5 minutes.
Five minutes later.
But here's the thing, we're gonna take this out now. Oh my, look at that. All right, it's still pretty soft though. But I actually like my ice cream like this, so if you want it to be firmer, you would go longer so it would solidify a little bit more, but I just have to see what it tastes like. All right. Woo! I just dropped my spoon. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Look at this. That's like perfect. That is so good. You have to make this. This is amazing. And yeah, I definitely like the texture and the thickness of it. And it's all about science. I literally made this in about 6 minutes. And you could do the same thing at home with your friends or your family. And tell your parents, it's all about science. This is really about science. Thermal energy, or the lack thereof, creates ice cream. My head, oh my God.
Slow down, Mr. C, because you might experience a brain freeze.
Oh, my brain.
This sensation happens when nerve endings in the roof of your mouth
It's so
send a
cold,
message
seriously.
to your brain that they have lost too much heat energy.
My
Eventually, things can go back to
Brain
normal.
freeze, but I really want to eat more. Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY science time.